Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you once again to our today's episode of this program. And today we get this news for our table when we see what they receive from this group of people when we say that they call Ohanaeze Ndigbo, when we say that they put their mouth for this genocide, when we say if they go on for Rivers State concerning this group of people, IPOB, and also the governor of Rivers State, when we say in name now, Nelson Wike. And from this one, when we say they reach our table here to say, now the Kano say it don't kill Governor Wike's political future. This one are the message when we say Ohanaeze Ndigbo sent across. And this new reach our table November 7th, 2020. And they will just beg una say make una sit down, relax, because it get the reason why BC we carry this news come. For the first time in history, when BC we they see this group of people, this Ohanaeze Ndigbo, they talk better thing since when BC we take know them. We don't know whether una don't still hear better thing from this very group. We know if we don't do one or two readings for this news, you will understand why we talk like they say. These people from where they stand, they see for this first time the future. All right, we'll just do one or two readings, then we will conclude them together for the comment session. And as we put our hand there for inside this matter, the Comicus understand say the Ohanaeze Ndigbo Youth Council, when they say they call OYC worldwide, say they don't declare say the political career of Rivers State Governor, when they say in name na Nelson Wike, say they don't kill him by the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, when they call IPOB, when they say in name na Nnamdi Kanu. And still on top of the matter, the Comicus understand say the OYC, when they call Ohanaeze Youth Council, say they believe say Wike, when they describe to be Igbo of Ikwere stock, say they will hunt him by the killings of residents of Oyigbo local government area by soldiers. And as we put our hand deep again, the Comicus understand say this group they thought say this killing when they say if they go on so say na political eyesore when they say they will surely use to hunt Wike's future political aspirations. And still on top of the matter, the Comicus understand say Nnamdi Kanu say na messenger and also a pawn for the hand of Northeast and Yoruba politicians when they say they carefully draft to destabilize Southeast and South states to upset the upcoming presidential aspirant from the two political zones ahead of the build-up of 2023. All right, my great and wonderful people. Now, only this one will fit take from this news when they say if they come from this Ohanaeze Ndigbo Youth Council, when they say that they put their mouth for this genocide, when they say if they go on for Rivers State. As you already know, say na small now with the touch and so that our hand will fit still reach so many others. And before we will leave una, make una share una opinion with us for the comment section. First of all, make we tell una the reason why BC we say first time in the history when BC we they hear this group when they say that they call Ohanaeze Ndigbo Youth Council say they don't make sense. First time when BC we tell no they not in be this very one. You know, since when it say we know Nelson Wike, now only governor for the Southeast when it say we be still believe say it still they speak for the mind of the youth. Yeah, it still they speak for the voiceless and still they try to speak against this Hausa Fulani caliphate for their own agenda against the Southeast and also the South, even the Southwest. But now, if you can't see the stand when it be say this man don't dey now, you will understand say yes, say now the end of the road now in be this one. Because I believe on one thing, say we when it be the youth, now we be the driving force when it be say if they move all these people ahead. Because I not see anyone when it be say he eat belly food now, when it be say he want go put hand for ballot for Nelson Wike for anything whatsoever. Because this one are the way when it be say Adams Oshomole they start for Labour Congress. You know, when that man there for Labour Congress, everybody they cry, say Adams Oshomole come become governor. And after governor, everybody see the shall say he must go for presidency. And to God be the glory as he descend to governor, now they it come mess up everything. Now the state when it be say Nelson Wike now instead be this one. Because everybody still they look up to say if opportunity arises, say we still be one. Now one of the person when it be say every one of us still they look up to say if we send this kind of person a message to represent the youth, say definitely it will deliver. It will speak our mind and it will present our agenda. We don't know, say, now the one when it be say it will turn out to be a thorn on our own flesh. But to God be the glory, say, it never reached to that extent. Yes, it never reached to the extent when it be say, yes, we gather our strength and energy to push on ahead more than where it did today. So thank God, because God get the way when it say it did they reveal his own things, and also to reveal the total details of a person. And the truth of the matter not pass be say we not get anything to regret for any action when it be say wicked they carry out now. You know why? Because the law of karma it not be law when it be say anybody fit do away with. No. Waiting man so now he will surely reap. It there for power now. He get every right to do anything, to make any order. Whether they kill somebody, they don't kill person, it not be of his own concern. In as much as he get his own bodyguards and his own family get their own bodyguards when we say it they guide them. No problem. You know, when the rain starts, definitely one day be one day. That rain, when it be say yes, because you know they outside, it not go touch you. If it not touch your body when it be say it the rain, it will touch your body when it be say you want drink am. Yes, now the true one na in be that very one. So make it rule with iron hand, make it come out. The law of karma, they wait for wicked and it they wait for your own family. It they wait for your own children. Life now something when it be say you know if you just waste, say it just go like that. The voice of those innocent people, when they say they kill on daily basis, definitely they will speak. They will speak. If they not speak today, they will speak tomorrow. Now the truth will be that one. They not speak for wicked's time. They will definitely speak for the time of his own children or his grandchildren. Now the truth will be that one. Just they give order. Maybe they kill people. They go say it not concern you. Because you be governor, you can authorize the soldier, you can authorize the police, even the army to do the undo. Whereas the people, when they kill your people ever since the Fulani herdsmen, when they inside the bushes for the southeast and the southwest, una never feel authorize the soldiers say make the day for bush until they finish these people. No. The people, when they gather, they agitate for their own freedom. Now you they authorize, say the federal government don't prescribe them. You yourself don't prescribe them. Anywhere they see them, they kill them. No problem. We can carry on. The time will tell. Now the true one in be that one. All right, my great and wonderful people. I will leave Unana make una watch this next video. We will come back for the conclusion.
Hospital, the ambulance, even a dead body carrying an ambulance, the military has to set it on fire. The particular house, the military, they got burnt. You know, you will hear, saved 3 soldiers. The boy, they macheted his head. They burnt the house, the whole, with people inside that house. The whole place is deserted. What I'm telling you now, it's just that this evening is just calm. Because you hear the gun sound, there's children here. There's children about 1 year, 2 years, running helter-skelter. Some have to use the dustbin, the heap of dustbin to cover themselves, to hide. The military killing in order of the governor. There's no road here. There's no governor present here. He doesn't care. Here in Oyibo, no governor of River State have remembered any Oyibo people. We are always on our own, defending ourselves. We pay our tax heavily with brutality. The police is there. The governor is there, doing all sorts of things. The place is a very dirty place. It's just like a suburb, just because it shares a boundary with the Abia State, and all the majority people here are Igbos. So I could not see why the governor would say he wants the IPOP. He knows where they stay to hold their meetings. At least he should have waited on the day of their meeting, go there and pick them out. Why killing people, innocent children, in their homes? I can't go out to get you some pictures. I would have gone out to snap some. You will see the bloods. The cops, the soldiers, they carry the cops away. People are missing. They take young boys, they tie their hands, tie their legs, tie their eyes, shoot. If you just refuse to go with them, they will just shoot you instantly. I mean, I have not seen why blood Why blood of the youth? Why blood of the innocent? Why the blood of the Igbos are so precious to this Governor Wike and to our president? Because the killing in this country is too much. If you are in my shoes, my mom here is dying of BP. We can't have drugs. She's asthmatic. We can't have steroids to even Ventolin for her to use. There's nowhere you can go to and get help. There is nothing. On Tuesday now is going to make it 2 weeks. 2 weeks locked down, 24 hours. Coffee, if you had the governor's broadcast, you had the magnitude, the force he used to reinforce this lockdown. There's no water. There's no government water that people can go outside their house to take. We have our boreholes. We have to pump water. There is no water. For 4 days now, I have not showered. I'm telling you, for 4 days, I have not showered. This light you're seeing is just a rechargeable lamp. A friend came from Port Harcourt with some military personnel to even give us food. We ate raw beans, fried beans, like granules, as if we are in war. We are in war in our own country. The country we call our own. The country we pay taxes to. There's nothing.
All right, my great and wonderful people. This one are the eyewitness to all the things when they say if they happen for Obigbo now in be this very one. Tell me, Governor Wike sit down for house, they watch all these things for inside television. They see a boys, they slaughter life like animals. And now they comfortable. You know? And another thing be say, children that they comfortable. A wife, they comfortable. If brothers and sisters that they comfortable, that they silent to all these ones. Abi, no problem. When they will set the fire, definitely. Anybody when it be say it they close to the fire, time will come when it be say it will feel the heat. Not be from the beginning, no. No. Wicked don't set the fire. Now, it's still the burn. You know, whatever the heat no will ever reach the family. But time will reach when it be say the fire will mature. The heat will definitely reach the family and everybody when it be say a day around the wiki when it be say it sets this fire. And this morning, I think we received one message when it be say it concerned all these police officers when it be say they died during this NSAS protest. When it be say the wives, they come outside, they cry out to say their husband said he left them for poverty. They're supposed to be the breadwinner of the family. We'll read this news after this very one when it be say with the broadcast. So, you know one thing when it be say we see for inside that matter, the time when it be say this officer, they kill people, they go. A wife and a children, they did there. They not fit advise their husband to say, this thing so now they do, now bad thing. No, but today we call, they feel the heat. The one when it be said they don't kill before, now they can't take the position now to cry, they cry. So now the matter now in be that very one. The one when they die today, not being will die tomorrow. Yes, the one when they get power today, not being will get power tomorrow. Governor Wike, hear this word and get sense. Because truly, waiting go up must surely come down. All right, my great and wonderful people, we'll leave una make una share una opinion with us for the comment section, and also make una not forget to help us share this broadcast so that we'll still reach our brothers and sisters all over the world. And as you do so, God Almighty will richly bless you in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. All right, we would like to draw the conclusion of this program here. We will see you again when we see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.